Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene and that's Benji back there. And today we have an awesome meditation for the classroom. So we're going to use some simple but powerful mindful breathing techniques to find what feels good. Let's get started. Alrighty, my friends, we're going to begin today seated. You can sit in a chair or on the ground, or if you really want to, you can even do this meditation standing. So come into a position where you can get really tall in the spine. Imagine your spine is one nice long piece of string or a light rope, and it's lighting up with energy as you sit or stand nice and tall. Now I'm ready for this meditation. Benji, are you ready? He said yes, and I hope you are too. We're gonna start this together by closing our eyes just for 1 second. And if closing your eyes is scary or makes you feel nervous, no worries. Just take your gaze and look down past your nose. And if you're feeling silly or anything like that, I totally understand because I'm a super silly person. But see if you can give yourself just one big breath to focus down past your nose, or close your eyes and focus inward and bring your attention to your breath. So the breath is an amazing power tool for changing how you feel. So if your day isn't going great, or say you're having a tough morning, or even at nighttime when you're maybe having trouble going to bed or falling asleep, relaxing, you can use your breath as a tool to change the way you feel. And take it from me, it works. It's super powerful. So hopefully by now you've noticed your breath and just kind of brought some awareness to how you're breathing, whatever that means to you. And in an effort to bring a sense of inner peace and calm, inner calm, we're gonna take 5 slow breaths in and out together. You ready? Benji, you ready? All right, let's go. Inhale, breathe in. Imagine your breath is going down into your belly and your belly's inflating like a big balloon. Exhale, breathe out through the nose or mouth. It's okay to make sound here. 4 more. Big inhale. Exhale. 3 more. See if you can make your breaths bigger, more full. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, you're doing great. Slow it down, breathe out. And 1 more just like that, nice and slow. Big inhale. And exhale, empty it all out. Breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out. Awesome. Stand or sit a little taller. Imagine you're really reaching the crown of your head, the tippy tip topmost point of your head, all the way towards the sky. Beautiful. Then slowly bring 1 hand to your belly and 1 hand to your heart. Inhale and exhale. 4 more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and empty it out. Inhale and exhale. At the end of your exhale, let your fingertips come down to rest gently on your lap or at your sides. And just notice how those slow, deep breaths made you feel. Then nice and easy, take the head and you're just going to gently nod it side to side as if you were shaking the head no. Awesome, then bring it back to center and we're going to shake the head or nod the head yes. Awesome, then bring it back to stillness. See if you can align your head over your heart and your heart right over your hips. And we're going to take one final breath, the deepest breath you've taken all day. And after this breath, you're going to have this fresh opportunity to feel a different way, to maybe see the good in yourself and in others, and just see the good in the day. So here we go. Are you ready? Benji, are you ready? All right, let's do it. The deepest breath you've taken in all day. Here we go. Big inhale. And big exhale, let everything go. Awesome work. Notice how you feel and carry it with you on into the rest of your day. Thanks for sharing this time for meditation with me and with Benji. Namaste.